I just got out the shower and I've had something for about 2 or 3 days that I wanted to share with you. In a previous video, you saw me open up Nicki Minaj's Pink Friday 2 Perfume, and you saw how much I loved it. So I was at Marshall's. I found this beautiful woman staring off into Pink Friday land. She's just staring with her beautiful pink hair and her pink lipstick and her pink background. And her name was Nicki Minaj. That's her name, Nicki Minaj. So this is her first, I think it's her first perfume, and I think it came out in 2012. If I'm not mistaken, I think this came out in 2012. I don't know. But I do want to say at the bottom of the box, it said, made in the USA. So she's supporting jobs at home. So this is the front, Pink Friday. So anyways, I want to see what it smells like. So this is the unboxing of this perfume. We're going to see how this compares to... to extract it all. It's smaller. It's like falling apart. Ooh. Can't tell anything yet. This piece fell off. The nozzle spray piece. Okay. Can't smell anything yet. It's cute. It looks very, I don't know if they all have the same hair, but it looks like the tinier version of Pink Friday 2. And I don't know what this look is from. Is this from Starships? I don't remember this bralette. It's cute. Is this real? I don't even know. I just bought it at Marshall's. Anyways, the reason why I bought this one is because the Pink Friday 2 perfume smells so good. I spray it all the time on myself. And I'm like, I mean, don't you want to save some? So I got this one. And hopefully it smells similar. And Nicki, I'm honest, so let's see. First I'm going to spray it, because this ain't even on right. Should I sue someone? Let me see. Okay, now it's on. Now it's on. I can spray it on something. Let's see. Maybe I should spray it on this bikini. This is a clean bikini, guys. Ooh. Ooh. I like it. I do. It's still sweet. It's still... Let's do one more. Let's see. Let's let it get in the panties a little bit. Let's let it rest in the panties. Yeah, she was lovely. Ooh, yes, I have a second one. Yes! This is also a very good scent. This is the Pink Friday fragrance that I'll be spraying all over myself. So if you think, where does this say? I don't know, I'm gonna take this sticker off. I want y'all to take my serial number. See this? See that sticker? I'm taking it off. Trying to steal my serial number. So yeah, okay, this might be controversial. This is, well, it's not the same smell, so you can't say that. I was gonna say it's a smaller Pink Friday 2, but this is definitely, you know, serving the first, and Pink Friday 2 is serving, I have mastered my scent, my look, my feel, my brand. Still a wonderful girl. This is what I do every night. Just so I can smell pretty. Just so I can lay down and be like, for sweet dreams or a beautiful nightmare. Somebody pinch me. I'm so good to be true. I'm ready pleasure. I ain't going nowhere. Ooh, hit no notes. No, but this really, I'm most curious if like, is this the same bottle that was made then? Because I don't know anything about colognes, but it held up. I mean, the smell held up, right? Because it still smells sweet. So it still smells pretty. It's like the little sister of Pink Friday 2. Pink Friday 2 is unbeatable though. But this is still like a fun. This is really, she's pretty. She's the girl still. I'm just obsessed with her big sister. Let me smell the panties again. It's the panties test. If you would sleep with this person, then it's a good perfume. Yeah. Okay. That's the end of... I almost dropped it and broke it. Gosh. That's the end of my Pink Friday, the first perfume Nicki Minaj ever did. Right? She agrees. So, if you're in Marshalls, you know what to do. Support the queen. Pink Friday in stores. Motherfucker, right? This is World War VI. Still ain't top red ruby trying to steal the sauce. I said, get up on my cookbook. But really, I'm a sweetie pie. P-I-T-T-Y, but I'm P-E-T-T-Y. What did you lie about your lipo? Fucking your best friend man is crazy. You the type, though.